New locations of some pretty well-known local chains topping tonight's restaurant report card. That includes a Frickers and a Rudy's. 13 ABC's Tony Geftis has the latest from the health department in tonight's RRC.
If you work in a restaurant in Lucas County, you have to wear gloves. If you take off your gloves and switch to another pair, you have to wash your hands in between. Otherwise, it might cost you a violation. It happened at Rudy's Hot Dog on West Alexis near Tremainsville. Health inspectors noted 13 violations during the latest standard inspection. 8 of those violations were considered critical. That includes employees changing tasks and not washing hands prior to putting on gloves. One employee handling tomatoes with no gloves on, and a flat of eggs sitting out at room temperature above the grill. The manager at the Alexis Rudy's tells 13 ABC, "There's no excuse. My employees should have known better. We have awesome people. I think they were nervous." She went on to say, "We have managers that oversee our operations. We follow all safety rules. The issue is isolated for us, and we've corrected every single thing." Next up, the Frickers on Monroe Street in Sylvania. It had 15 violations, including 3 critical. Health inspectors wrote the nacho cheese unit is broken. The door is cracked and a bungee cord is used to hold the door shut. Holes in the wall by the chicken prep top cooler, and containers of sauce and food stored directly on the floor in the freezer. In response, a manager at the Frickers in Sylvania tells 13 ABC it's all been taken care of. Now for the restaurants with 0 violations. Health inspectors noted El Vaquero at the docks was clean and well maintained on its latest standard inspection report. Not only was the Oasis Restaurant and Delivery on Lasky and Jackman a clean restaurant, it's one of the top 50 restaurants in Lucas County rated by health inspectors.
And we try to do the best we can to keep the place clean, and we take pride in that. We're also customers here, so obviously we want to eat safe food and make sure we do everything properly.
The manager adds he's very proud of his staff. He might say they've created an oasis for good food and good health. For the Restaurant Report Card, Tony Geftis, 13 ABC Action News.
And this marks the second year that Toledo-Lucas County health inspectors have picked the cleanest restaurants around. If you'd like to see the full list of the top 50 food establishments of 2013, we've got them all for you. Posted them on 13abc.com.